Hey friends, if you wish to add extensions in Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Open Firefox. The procedure is little different from Chrome or Edge. Click on the hamburger symbol here and then click on add-ons and themes. Now you can find more add-ons on addons.mozilla.com. Let's say I need a VPN add-on, so simply search for VPN. Wait till I get the results, and now I can see the results here. You must be noticing that the results as well are different from those on the Chrome store or the Edge store, and you can pick the results according to your requirements and click on add to Firefox and then click on add. Okay, this is where you will notice the extensions. Okay, and if you want to view the extensions, click on the hamburger symbol again and then select add-ons and themes, and you'll notice all the extensions are here. You can manage them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.